Corliss fans, what it do? Your boy has been working on a new project, and the goods finally came in. Yes, people. We're gonna do this with you. I already opened it up, but I wanted to show you what I got, man. Came from OutsidePride.com. I looked a long time for these seeds. Y'all excuse the noise. Your boy doing laundry. You know you got to keep them drawers clean. I was looking for these seeds for a minute, and I could not find them. This was the only website that had them in stock. Get out of here. Yeah. Check it out. Strawberry ornamental corn. Zea Mays Strawberry. My kids love popcorn. All of them. They love popcorn. However, I don't eat popcorn. Most of the corn that you see sucks, and I'm always looking for a healthier alternative for them. So I decided, why not do some research? I came across a list that said the top 10 best varieties of corn to make popcorn, and this is the one I ended up settling on. It's supposed to make small red kernels, i.e., you clearly see it there. It's supposed to take 5 to 10 days to germinate. We're going to drop them in the ground today and see what we can get up. It's supposed to be 100 seeds in the pack. Let's pop it open and see what they look like. I can do it with one hand without destroying it. Stuck on my hand. All right, there we go. Do anything for the cash. I guess in this instance, you do anything for the corn. All right, damn it. There we go. Ooh, look at what we have here. Well, that's interesting. Well, I'm gonna go drop these bad boys in the ground. Well, in a container anyway. See if we can get them to germinate and keep it rocking. I'll keep you in tune.